Welcome, welcome. Today I wanted to show you a little behind the scenes of what my setup tray looks like for my hair extension clients. As you can see, I have a brush, my comb, my pliers for removal, scissors and clips, and obviously my cape and a towel. These tools are essential for me to help remove my clients' extensions. And here is a little sneak peek of my hair extension toolbox. I'm an organized freak, so as you can tell, I keep everything labeled. So I have a little section here where all my little prongs are labeled. You can see for the R bottom for right bottom, the RT for right top, LB for left bottom. So when I remove the wefts out of my client's hair, like starting from the bottom row, each corner will get a prong for that way the weft and that row and that section is all properly labeled, so that way the wefts do not get confused when I go to relay the hair the exact same way. So within my box, I have extra prongs to help lay the hair, little hair ties, and my favorite, the Gutamin, that's the polyester string. And they have beautiful colors, very like ashy, neutral, or warm tones, but the string is strong. It's super affordable. Oh, and my glue, my little glue prongs. So I usually use this just to dab the glue for when I tie off my knots, my closing prongs. And then I have a string of my beads already preloaded. My 2mm, my 3mm. So I have light brown, dark brown, and black. I also have a section for little Sharpies to take notes, my little comb for sectioning, and then I have my beads, so they're easily accessible from 3mm brown to light brown to 2mm dark to even black. And the beads I've been using have been IBE and Coveted Maine. So I'm still kind of always on the hunt to find good beads that work, but these are silicone lined beads. And I do use a little bit of super glue to help seal off any knots that I do at the end of my stitching. But this is all my back stock, what everything looks like inside my drawer. Extra fishing wire just in case if I snap one of my strings. And I also have Sharpies that are actually skin and neutral colors, because a lot of new coveted wefts, some of them, the root of them do not come colored. So I do like to tint them myself. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for all your hair tips and business tips behind the chair.